Good morning guys. Today we're doing something that we've been excited to do for a while since we've been in Thailand, and that's going to a Thai cooking school. The food in Thailand is absolutely amazing, from the noodle dishes to the curries and stir fries and right through to the desserts. Everything here is absolutely amazing. So we're really excited to learn how to create some Thai food so that we can do it when we get back home as well. We're booked in with Asia Scenic Thai cooking school in Chiang Mai. And apparently we're going to be cooking about 7 different dishes throughout the day. So we're starting the day with an empty stomach. We're skipping breakfast and we're only having coffee because we're going to be eating a lot of food.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
So the first stop of the day is actually to head down into the local market where the lady explained a few of the local ingredients that they use to make the different types of dishes that we're going to make today. After she showed us around the different types of herbs in the garden as well.
Wanna move my feet.
1, 2, 3. Choppy. Okay, eat the whole thing.
Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine.
How is it?
Wanna move my feet. Wanna move my feet.
2 thumbs up out of 2. So we're at the halfway point of the day. The guys who are only doing a half-day cooking class have gone home now, and there's only 4 of us left to do the afternoon. So far this morning we've cooked a soup each, a curry each, including making the curry paste right from scratch. We've cooked spring rolls, and we've cooked, I cooked some pad see ew and Case cooked some pad thai. It's all been pretty yummy. The soup was, but the rest of it's been delicious. So now in the afternoon, what we've got left to cook today is a salad each, and then moving on to dessert. Finished off the day with a couple of salads. Case cooked a papaya salad and I got a spicy chicken salad and some desserts. I made some mango sticky rice and Case made a banana dish in coconut milk. It was absolutely delicious, and at the end of the day they actually give you a cookbook that has all the different recipes in it. We've had a great time today guys, and thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.